Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be short and sweet and simple, but this is, y'all say you want all the videos, so here's the videos. So this is my little sister's nails, if you don't already know or can't tell. This is her previous set. There is a video on this set, but these nails did get a little long for her, and she did break one and lifted like another one. She broke that one and cracked it through the actual nail, the nail bed. So we decided to take them down. We decided I was gonna take them down either way, but she decided to or not. Just in general, you need to ensure that your nails are at a length that you can wear them. No matter how good the nail tech is, if you're constantly hitting them and injuring them, your nails aren't going to last well. They're not going to endure, the length of the set of the nails, which a good time to have a set of nails is 2 to 3 weeks. 3 weeks to me is ideal. If your nails made 3 weeks, I feel like I did my job. So just to keep that in mind. Yes, I've had clients, and many other nail techs have clients who've done 5, 6, 8, 12 weeks, the impossible. But that's just not realistic. And at some point, after about, 4 weeks of wear, it does strain the nail plate and can be more dangerous than it is something to brag about. But that's another time, another story. So I removed the product. As you can see, I used a skiver bit to remove the cuticle from her nail plate. I took the length of the nails down. A lot of this I missed on the camera, and I'm sorry. And I just wiped them down. I sprayed them with alcohol just to remove the dust and everything. Then I wiped them down with acetone because I was going to use the clear rubber base as I generally do. But I decided to try the Young Nails Protein Bond, which you can see me applying. I applied 2 coats. You want to let the first coat air dry about 10 to 15 seconds before you add the second coat. And so I'm adding the second coat. I'm going to let that dry at least 10 to 15 seconds and apply our enhancement. Today I'm going to be using the IBD Clear Builder Gel and filling the nail and replacing what I took off. Like I said, I believe this is one of the nails that was lifted, so I'm having to replace more of the product on this nail. Also, if you recall, I think her middle fingers, or her middle and her ring finger on both hands, were the Opera Gel X. Actually, I believe her whole, do y'all remember? Y'all probably remember better than I do. I think her whole set was the Gel X from the Ombre Blue Cloud Star nails I did. I don't know, I can't remember, but anyways, so I'm filling these and building back up. Of course, these don't need to be too thick. They're little shorties, and excuse her nails. They look dirty and grimy, but she's a kid. She plays in different things and has different art things going on, so excuse that. So you can see I'm applying a slip layer to the entirety of the nail. That's what you see me doing. Slip layer is just a base layer. I don't cure it. And then I take a bigger bead of gel, like you can see me doing, and I float that over it. That first layer, that initial layer, the slip layer, is just to kind of tell that bigger bead where to go, where it's cool to go. It helps the incline around the cuticle area. And I want to do a whole video of the basics of things, just so when I get to talking, you guys know what I'm talking about. But that's something I'm thinking about. So I cured the nails. I do them one at a time. When I say cure, I mean in the UV LED lamp. If you guys are unfamiliar, I just kind of take it for granted that people know what cure means, and then I get questions. So I cured all of them. I usually cure them one at a time, like I said. And then I shaped them off camera. I just did like a natural kind of rounded square, not really square, kind of a rounded shape. And I'm using the crosscut bit, and I'm doing that just to finish file and shape the nail, and then it also leaves the nail buffed so that our gel polish can adhere to it. So today I'm using in the black Just pigment, and I'm using it for our gel colors today, and this is not available yet, but it will be soon, so stick around for that. And I'm using this beautiful chunky rose gold holographic glitter. Now, this is something that could be like encapsulated within a nail. It is a chunky glitter, but when you're using chunky glitters of any brand with gel polish, you want one that can distribute the glitter. Have you ever used like a polished glitter and all the polish is at the free edge and none of it's towards the cuticle area? So this is a pretty good gel polish that doesn't leave it sparse, but just what physics is the nature of things. There's big chunky pieces that can be moved around. They don't distribute evenly. The product doesn't know how to distribute chunks evenly. So make sure you manipulate it and get those chunks where you want it to be and then cure. And I'm also using this color. It's also from In the Black again. Stay tuned. The launch and everything will be announced in the future. And I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of this chunky rose gold holographic glitter on the nail, and I'm just getting those chunky pieces where I want them to go. Again, this is on a finished nail. I wouldn't have put gel polishes in a nail before. Some people will tell you not to do it. I have done it successfully, and the integrity of the nail has stayed, and I've done it multiple times. That's not what we're doing today, but I'm letting you know that I've done it. It's worked. To try it at your own risk. So I'm using these silk Swarovski crystals. You can purchase Swarovski crystals from Blue Street Crystals and use code Tabytha5, the number 5, for 5% off. The link should be below in the description bar, but it might not be on top. You might have to scroll down some. I put a lot of gems in the description bar, but you're going to have to scroll down and read. Reading's important. It's necessary. So I'm using a crystal gel. It's a crystal gel I'm trying out, but you guys know I've referred to you some really great ones. The jewelry gel from Daily Charm. You can use code Tabytha for that, or from Nail Supply Glamour. There's a lot of other good brands out there. I'm sure I haven't tried them all, but there is. So I'm using, this is a T1000 tack free no wipe top coat, and this is a shiny top coat. And I will be top coating over the glitter nails. But what I'm going to do, because with the chunky glitter, it is not 100% smooth because they're bigger glitters. Like, that's why I say you can encapsulate it. I didn't want to in this scenario. But what you'll see me doing is I'm floating a little bit of that top coat over. You see me add a drop and kind of let it self-level out. Essentially kind of like an encapsulation, but very thin, very, very thin. So that's what I'm basically doing, is encapsulating. So those glitters will be nice and even within the nail. You don't feel any inconsistencies on the nail. It's a nice and smooth, slick surface. So you see, I'm essentially doing the same thing. I'm applying a slip layer of the top coat, and you'll see right now this is sped up. I'm adding a bigger chunk and letting that self-level out to a smooth glitter nail. So now I'm applying that shiny top coat around my crystals and over my beads. I use micro beads. I didn't speak on that. They're rose gold ones. You can purchase those from, I think, Daily Charm, I believe, has them. A whole bunch of different places have them. Probably eBay, Amazon even. So I'm going around the crystals and over the beads to protect their color. So I went ahead and cured that in the light. I'm going to take the Voluto. It's a tack-free matte top coat. It's a gel matte top coat. And I am going in and going around these stones. So I went ahead and sealed these stones in with the shiny top coat. That way I can ensure that it doesn't snag or anything like that, but that nothing is frosted, because of course the matte top coat will frost the edge of the crystals and on top of the bead. So I want to ensure that those are shiny, because we don't want to go over the stones with the top coat. We want to seal around the edge, but we don't want to do that with a matte top coat because it'll frost it out like frosted glass. So again, I told you guys this is simple. So this is our final look right here. Very, very nice. I think they're so cute. It was real fast, despite her broken nails and stuff I had to do surgery on. But if you guys like this look, love these colors, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let me know down below. I would appreciate the feedback. Again, I'll give you guys an update when the in the black gel polishes and matte top coats and top coats are coming out, as soon as I get a concrete date for you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. We made it after election, guys. Here we are post-election. Whether you're excited or not, we made it through. We know what's happening with the world. So please still continue to wear your mask, be kind to your neighbor, and subscribe. All right, bye.